I'm joined today by Marco Grassidonio from Garbe. Marco, it would be interesting, I think, just in terms of your focus there, obviously, as managing director of Italy, particularly on the residential side. What are you seeing there as some of the trends and I guess the outlook for residential there in Italy?
Regarding the residential market, Italy has to be diversified considering the different structure of our country in terms of economics. The northern part is well developed with very high GDP per person compared to what we have in Germany or in France. And we have an employment rate that is in a level of 5% in the Lombardy region, again, comparable with the rest of the most developed countries in Europe. This means that in the northern part of Italy, we can have very strong residential markets because of attracting new people, attracting young professionals, and cities like Milan and Bologna are increasing their population, and also the forecast for the next 25 years is in this direction. And in addition to that, we also have in all these cities the main hub for university, and so all the polytechnics university, Milan and Turin, Bocconi University, Milan. These also bring young students, foreign students from overall in the world. And for that residential market that suffered in the past of fragmentation, big fragmentation in our country, is a key market for institutional investors. Build-to-rent development, build-to-rent portfolio are becoming more and more in the focus of institutional investors. Of course, residential is an asset class that needs time to be developed. So we have more capital that can be deployed than offer that we can give to institutional investors. But this is in this moment is of course a plus, additional plus. It's really important also to highlight that above all in cities like Milan, we also have a very important program for affordable housing. Each development that we have here in Milan also have his quota proportional of affordable housing that must be offered on affordable price or affordable rent. And this will also help to allow all the population to have a proper house and also to mix up the population in all the neighborhoods in the city.
Yeah, and obviously previously a huge amount of the residential was very much owner-occupied residential. So interesting to see build to rent beginning to come through, and also that focus on affordable housing. Thanks very much for joining us, Marco.